How's it going, guys? Sacred Black Sheep with another video. Today I'm doing another boxing with the Heal Yourself reading cards. Intuitive Guide to Transform Your Soul by Ina Segal. I believe that's her name. It's a very big book, or casing, I guess. Heal Yourself reading cards. At last, a card deck by Ina Segal that is focused on healing, transformation, and the rising of consciousness. This deck is visceral, emotional, and raw, in both text and visuals, expressing both the lighter and darker sides of life. The cards access the higher states of awareness, as well as challenging emotions, thought patterns, and energies people have to transform. In this 36 card oracle deck, the text of each card gives the meaning of the card, the reason the person has chosen the card, and an empowering statement and a short process. Ina is a internationally recognized healer, professional healer, author, and television presenter. We have Inner Child, Take Your Mask Off, Wild, and Consciousness. But it's like something consciousness. But let's just get right into it. I've already cut the side of the plastic just to save time. Okay. So I end up deciding to buy these because I was interested in a different Lenormand deck. So, because I ended up buying these, I didn't do an unboxing because I was too impatient. But I have those, and I wanted to get a to expand, I guess, my collection of decks, because I already have enough tarot decks as it is. So I was looking for a different type of deck. So the Lenormand was the one that stood out. It was the Lenormand or the Kipper deck. But then I also saw the Heal Yourself reading cards, which was, I guess, associated with Lenormand. So then that's when I decided to purchase these. Oh wow, look at that, selling out at the bottom of the deck. But flip through the book real quick. These cards, past, present, future, and overall message. Oh, look at that, selling it. Oh, well, that's the first card, selling out. Self-sabotage, dreams, ooh, sexuality, sadness. I'm going to skip through them only because I'm just going to show you the pictures off anyway. Oh, victim consciousness, that's what it was. Rejection, soulmate, wild, inner child, beauty. Say what you mean, say with your chest, temptation, family and tribe, oh yeah, healing, have faith, patience, self-love, alchemy, letting go, help from above, love, discover your life purpose, ooh, courage, the cowardly dog, unleash your creativity, phoenix rising, sexual arts, yeah, entrapment, home, hole in the soul. Not the hole in the soul, about the author. Acknowledgements, and about the illustrations, Chris Ortega and Drenzenka Kimple. Oh, and you got little healing notes. What about that? How about that? How about that? All right, so let's just get into the foot. Selling out. She's got the little blood on her feather, or blood on her feather, blood on her shirt, blood stained feather, and blood on her mouth. She was probably in some ritual. Like a sellout. Well, selling out like a sacrifice. Self-sabotage. It's kind of, well, not the same woman, but you know, the black hair. But again, self-sabotage. She got the candles. Working with death. She could be doing black magic. Dreams. The tiger and the fairy. Sexuality. It's definitely like Queen of Wands energy. Sadness. Like 5 of Cups. Cycles. 6. Could be like about balance, or what is that, an infinity symbol, which is 8. Pride. Pride looks like the bride of pride. Are you the bride of pride? Procrastination. I'm sorry for the shakiness. Got a stand instead of my desk. Well, here's the number 8. Oh, look, her black cat and the clock. The clock is ticking. And then, how teachable are you? Pay attention to signs. Oh, there's the owl. Intuition and wisdom. Take off the mask and put on your dancing shoes. Victim consciousness. The oh, woe is me. But it looks like you kind of put yourself into the situation, right? Which is like self-sabotage. Ooh, rejection. Is that cobwebs? Ooh, I know you're not holding out. Ooh, is that a book? I can't really tell. But there's something inside that. Soulmate. Oh, that's probably who she waiting for. Wild. I like the colors that they chose, or like the deep, the darkest of the colors. What? It's like I'm always in the middle of something when somebody wants to call me. Beauty, 17. Oh, look, there's a snake. How about that? Say what you mean. She don't want to hear it. He ready to cut somebody's throat. Temptation. Ooh. Somebody's astral projecting. I know it. I knew it. I knew it. I fucking knew it. And I be feeling that shit. High Priestess. Family and tribe. 20. I like this because it actually has like people of color, black people who are like in tribals, in tribe clothing. It looks like it could be tribe clothing. I apologize for the sirens. Healing. Oh, that's probably why the cops are out there, or the sirens. Have faith. Everything is going to be all right. 22. Up, and there's the cross. Patience. Which I still feel like is like almost the same thing. Have faith and patience. So, yeah. Self-love. She looks like a goddess, right? Venus, maybe? I'm getting Venus energy. The goddess of love. So it's like what? Isis or Aphrodite. Alchemy. Well, here's our Queen of Wands, or a magician, or a scientist, because that's what I think like alchemy is. It's just like magic science and together. Letting go. It's like traditions with the Celtic cross, and then you got the guys in the hoods. Speaks of like occults maybe as well. Help from above. Could be the moon, the stars, but it's something about your intuition and source. Love. Oh, and here we go with that pendant again. It's that green pendant. Oh, that would be the heart chakra. So that could be what stone would because I have an emerald. That's funny, but I don't think emerald would be. That's funny. He's like looking at her. Discover your life purpose. So yeah. Oh wow. A life purpose. This also could be like past, like your past life. Somebody from your past connecting with you or your ancestors, right? Helping you reconnect so you could live out your dreams or your life purpose. It has everything to do with your past. You must know about your past life to understand your present, right? Courage. Ooh, yeah, they're like in the woods somewhere. Now, you would think that they're together. They could be together, but the way that she's like, girl, trying to grab at him, yeah, I don't think he really knows. But, you know, that could be a snake. He kind of looks like that one guy from Shameless. If y'all remember his name, let me know in the comments. Unleash your creativity. I like that order from discover your life purpose, then courage, and then unleashing the creativity. Like that right there, I'm getting, it's like either discovering your life purpose, the courage is needing to get the strength. You see, he was in the woods by himself, essentially. He may or may not have the help, and then, you know, once he's gotten through, he's going to unleash the creativity, and then boom, Phoenix Rising. Oh, wait. I'm over here trying to give y'all a reading within a damn flip. Phoenix Rising, sexual arts. Oh, I love this. This is very comforting. It's healing, nurturing. Oh, wow. Fire at the feet. Or she kind of almost look like Kourtney Kardashian. Entrapment. Oh, talk about Kardashians, right? Looks like a doctor or a witch doctor, right? Entrapment. Looks like somebody's getting black magic done to either, yeah, get pregnant. Oh, wow. Heal yourself, right? These the heal yourself reading cards. I know that's right. Home. 35. Did we go with that damn pendant again? It's that heart chakra. Well, yeah. Here, if we're healing ourselves, then yeah, that stone will definitely be important. Oh, and then the last one is hole in the heart. phone while I shuffle instead of looking at the cards. So this. Okay, there we go. One more. Wait. Very huge cards. And another thing too, I was hoping that they would, excuse me, I'm sorry. I was hoping that they would be a little bit smaller so I can actually carry them with me. Because if I do use the Lenormand decks, I would like to use these with those, but it seems like these are going to be literally Oracle cards. Wow. And dropped them all. So let's see. At the bottom of the deck, soulmate. So look at that. So probably a lot has happened between this soulmate connection. Pride, exactly. A lot of pride has been in the way. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and comment. And also, if you have these healing cards and you've been working with them, let me know how you've been incorporated in your readings, or how they've been working with you in your in just your everyday life. Thank you again. Y'all take care. See y'all later.